Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today topic is on the deployment pipeline for Power BI reports. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Okay, let's begin the pipeline creation or how you can deploy the Power BI reports from one workspace to the other workspace. Suppose you have three workspaces: development, test, and production. You created a Power BI report on the pointing or deploy to the dev workspace, and now you want to move that to test and production. So how you can do that? So quickly start the video, click on the deployment pipelines, and this screen appears wherein you have to click on the new pipeline. Okay, let me create a pipeline quickly. Okay, these are the three stages. Suppose you have three workspaces, then you keep it like this, or if you have two past workspaces, you are managing the reports from development to production, then remove this test. Okay, or you can remove as per your requirement. Now the three stages are created. Let me assign a workspace for this development. Okay, now if I see in this workspace, I have so many reports. Okay, and I can deploy the report or the semantic model, or based on the type which you want, you can deploy from development to test. Okay, now I have not assigned any kind of workspace here. Okay, there is no workspace or test, it is not assigned anything. So let me deploy the report. And the dependent semantic model. Okay, now once I click on the deploy, it will show you what are the things you are going to deploy. I am deploying these three components from the development, from the BI test workspace to another workspace. The workspace name, if you see in the screen, the workspace name automatically taken bracketed test. You can also change this workspace will be created in your tenant automatically when you deploy from the development to test in the first case. Okay, now it is deployed. These three reports are deployed from development to test, but there is some error. Let me see what is that. Let me compare it. So there is a beautiful feature which shows you that what is present in dev and what is present in BI test workspace or the testing workspace. Now these are the things. It's showing plus. You can also click or you can select. You can deploy again to the test environment. If it is missed by you in the first case, then you can also deploy the Power BI report to the testing environment. Even it is showing there is some files are missing. Okay, let me deploy that as well. Okay, perfect. Now it is green ticked. It is done. Now we can see all these reports present in dev move to test. Similarly, we can move the reports from the and you can see the name also. Okay, we can go to the workspace settings and we can change the name as well. Okay, now let me move the report, okay, from test to production. If it is also not assigned any workspaces right now. Now I have selected these three files initially which I selected. Click deploy. Now I am deploying the reports and its component from test to the production workspace. So if you see in my screen, BI test workspace production is created in the background, and now I'm copying the content from the test workspace to the production workspace. Once this is done, we can go back to the workspace and see if these are created. Done. But if you see, there is similarly it is asking for to compare, like if you missed anything from the test to production. Now we are not copying anything from test to production, we are only copying the three components. Okay, let me click on go to workspace. So this is the production workspace. These three components are present, and if I go to the workspaces, if you see, there are, this is the first workspace which was pointing to dev, this is the test, and this is the production. Now I am clicking on the test. It is having all the components which we copied from dev to test. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'm going to explain other components